What up, Poke Gang? It's your boy Saber Kush back at it again with another Pokemon 25th anniversary straight out of Mickey D's. And you see this little promo box? It's so cute. I know you guys love it in the background. Let me know if you guys like me changing these backgrounds. It keeps changing. Can't be the same one to the back. Oh, we got a Pikachu Nana Hollow looking beautiful. Is that some good luck? We finally pulled one for the bro of Fennekin. Turtwig, look at the stamp, so nice. And finally, ooh, a Turtwig back to back. Wowza, so shiny, so cute.